Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas. And today is a very special day, especially for people like me. You know what I mean? Those who are interested in some sort of art, because today is World Art Day. Yes, you got it right. Today is World Art Day, and this is very good thing, very beautiful, very important, very special for me and those who love uh, to make some art, who believe in the power of art, who believe in the beauty of making art. It's not only just painting or drawing or dealing with colors. It can be dancing, it can be singing, it can be knitting or weaving or doing anything. Um, so I love to do painting and drawings. And so today, for this special occasion, I have decided to make a very beautiful flower painting. What can be more beautiful than a flower painting for this special season, for this special day? Okay, so and painting this particular flower is a story of its own. Let me tell you. This spring season, and I have a big, huge tree just very close to my balcony. And in spring season, it's blooming beautifully. So much of flowers, it's just full of flowers. This yellow gulmohar flower is just covering the tree, and the petals are so bright, beautiful, and so many birds come. At least 7 8 varieties of birds come to the tree, like cuckoo, the myna, the sparrow, Indian sparrow, and the crow, and parrots. Yes, so many parrots, many birds, and crane also. So many birds come to this tree in spring season, and it's blooming beautifully. I love to see that. We and my family, we love to take a cup of tea or coffee in the balcony while watching the tree and the birds, listening to the singing birds. And so this is a very beautiful thing. The whole thing is very interesting, lovely, and enjoying. So I thought, why not paint this flower? So I watched in details for some days how the birds are looking, how the petals are looking. But I don't know if I have made it so beautiful, but the way of nature is so beautiful. Obviously, that's more interesting, very beautiful. And I have tried to do my version of the flowers. So you must have a look how am I doing it. And to me, the whole process is enjoying actually making this flower painting. I hope you like it, and let me know what more flowers I should paint or draw for you. And so this particular flower bunch is this half bloomed bunch of flowers is just for you, so you can enjoy the process. And let me know what sort of art attracts you the most, or what you want to do, what you love to do. Let me know in the comment section, and I will go and watch your videos, your creativity. I love to see that. I love all sorts of art, so I must go and see that sooner or later. So have a look at this painting, and be happy, develop a hobby, develop a art form as your hobby, and get involved into it. And I always appreciate this, because this is a very beautiful thing to deal with. And this is all for today. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and also like this video, so and share with your friends if you feel it is interesting. And have a wonderful day, and have a wonderful springtime. Enjoy your day, and make some art on this World Art Day. And that's all for today. We'll meet soon. Okay, bye.